Quick little message for you all before we hop into today's video. If you could do me the biggest favor ever, drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below, and please, please, please watch the video completely through from start to finish. YouTube's algorithms really look for those three things in order to push this video particularly. Thank you guys so much, and let's jump into today's video. So you get the two front runners here. But what if that happens? What if, like, get the drink? Shake it. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video, and today we probably have one of the most exciting modifications, exterior-wise, cosmetic-wise, whatever you want to call it, that we're going to be doing to Hades. As you guys saw in the last video, we completely transformed the front end, and in my opinion, it's probably the absolute best look you can do for a stock bumper. Now, we do have Apollo here behind me, and don't mind my stock PP1 look down here, but this is Apollo, this is Jake's 2020 Mustang GT. The front end, it looks absolutely killer, but this is going to be the 777 style GT500 replica bumper, which, you know, it definitely blows all stock bumper applications out of the water. But if you're looking to make the best stock front end look as good as possible, definitely click the card that just popped up in there in the corner. Go watch that video. It truly transformed the car from 0 to about a 9 all day. Got rid of that stupid little chrome pony and that crappy painted honeycomb grill, both upper and lower. Go watch that video after this video or before, then come back, whatever floats your boat. Cause look, just get a little zoom in over there, Ben. You see that black car? You see how it, you know, it looks pretty stock. What are you doing with that hand?
Yeah, that's a good looking car right there.
There's the stock PP1 wheels on there. You know, great wheel for a stock. Right off the factory, I have to admit, they do look pretty solid. Right here, this is where all the magic is. We have our brand new, to me at least, VMS drag racing full drag pack. Skinnies up front, got some meats in the rear, 17s in the rear. Are these? I think these are 17s up front too, right?
They're 18.
18s up front. Excuse me. 18s up front, 17 in the rear. A little bit different than an S197 setup because of the calipers and stuff. You guys may have seen the video, which if you didn't, I don't know how it's possible because I always get bashed for not fucking racing the cars. I go and make a baller race video with a ZL1, a full bolt-on E Coyote, and a stock Coyote. Awesome racing content, and no one watches it. It fucking blows my mind. Swan dive off my balcony. Go watch that video. You guys will see what we ran in the quarter mile, which for a completely stock car on an extremely hot day, no traction, spinning every shift up until 4th gear, we ran a pretty solid time. So, you know, we got the two front runners here. Rear tires got some life left. They definitely, you know, they've seen some burnouts and stuff, but that's okay. The wear bars right here, we still got some life to these. But, you know, he had these on his green S550, looked incredible. And, you know, I know a lot of people like going welds, and, you know, welds are all right. Especially, like, if you run welds on a white car, it's kind of whack. He's, like, back there, like, looking at me.
Low cars run VMS.
Yeah, you know, and they probably weigh just as much, if not a little lighter than the welds that he has, and it's gonna suck when you know, a full bolt-on E car without a bead block beats them. Like, that's gonna be pretty embarrassing. Did that even make 500 horsepower?
3,000, because Street Outlaws just called. They need me to run Big Chief with Apollo, so.
VMS is on Hades. I think it's gonna be an awesome combination because you do have, like, you know, the polished, it's like reversed, honestly. You have the black spokes, which are really clean, but then you have these polished highlights. You got the wheels. Truthfully, it's a really, really nice weld. It's an affordable wheel, like a weld, in a sense. I don't know the exact weight. Do you have a scale?
I do.
Where's that?
In my basement.
We're gonna go and get these things put on. I'm excited. It's definitely, it's a must. And it, you know, with the grill upgrade and
Stock front left for sale.
what are you doing for my
$5. Probably shit in the grass. I'll put dogs chew on this shit.
Yo, chill.
It's all warped anyway. Make it $3. Come pick it up.
Fuck his car. How am I gonna get my car down here?
I gotta move Baby Yodi.
Baby Yodi. That thing's not gapping me. We all saw you take that fat mean L on that race video.
Booster is getting gapped when it gets boosted.
It's gonna suck because if you boost it and it gets completely annihilated, it's gonna suck.
There's zero chance on God's green earth. There's a better chance.
Let's actually talk about this. Yeah, a better chance that this car's gonna beat this one. But what if that happens? What if like
I'll have to drink bleach. Probably live on Facebook.
on my YouTube. You have to drink it. You have to drink it. Fucking.
Shake it, shake it.
A water bottle of bleach? No, you gotta do something better than that.
What's better than fucking croaking on live?
All right, if my truck when it's boosted.
No, we're not talking truck.
No.
We're talking Apollo versus Hades.
Oh, that ain't happening. All right, whoever loses, all right, has to put follow for a month. Follow a Tyson 410 on the of your windshield for a month. If I lose, I'll put follow DerekBaranProductions for a month.
That's good. That's a good one.
Deal. Like Ricky Bobby style, fig noodle on that motherfucker.
What's the race though? Because you're gonna do some bullshit like you always do.
40 roll.
Oh, I was thinking track time. I was thinking
we
track.
do dig.
All right, Hades and Apollo at the track.
Okay, that digs. And
not time. Whoever passes first.
What the fuck? Okay, well, I mean, obviously, best 2 out of 3. We'll do 3 races.
All right.
All from a dig. There.
Deal.
Now,
Lock it in.
Lucifer, roll. 3 rolls.
Oh, easily, all day. Shake right now.
3 rolls. What speed? 40?
Yeah, 40 roll.
40s and 60s. Depends on the day.
We'll go 40s.
We'll
I mean, I'll give the truck a 60. That big ass hog ain't gonna move out.
Okay.
Shake it a century.
Shake it.
It's done.
All right, fuck you. Let's get these things installed.
You're gonna get gapped, dog. Hey.
It's gonna
man,
really. It's gonna suck.
Hey, come film the back of this
Dude,
shit.
it's gonna suck bad though because like your Cobra Jet, you're gonna
I can't hear you.
boosted.
That's the sound of a big block right there, motherfucker.
That's the sound of a Cobra Jet. That's gonna be a waste of money. Get it done. Ford, Dodge, all the stock lugs with these stupid casings suck. Get rid of them. When I worked at Discount Tire, it was the worst. Especially older vehicles, when they swell and no socket fits it, you have to beat it on with a hammer each one. It sucked. This is gonna be the tire that drags Jake.
My wheels are dirtier than that stripper you picked up last night.
There she is. Whew, moment of truth.
Fitment is close.
It's perfect.
It's tight.
Definitely makes it look more aggressive, that's for sure.
You got a pro mod now on your hands.
Yeah, I got a fucking, as it sits with just a tire, it's 9s, but.
With that front end, with the front grills, upper and lower, I'd say you're a 7-cent car.
Yeah, it's close.
Roughly.
It's close.
Roughly 7.
Boys are out here finishing up the washing. Apollo just got a nice wash, and he threw the welds on. So those look really sick. Ben just got done washing his. This color's crazy. It almost looks green.
Yeah.
You see that? Has like a green tint
It's
to it.
metallic. It's called magnetite black, but it's a very, very dark metallic gray.
Dude, it looks good washed up,
does,
man.
yeah.
Jeez.
I mean,
These are for sale, right?
Yes.
So where can they contact you at to get these?
Tyson 410, IG, best
All right,
way.
hit them up on IG, guys, if you're looking for some
Or
one-of-one Rahanas.
OnlyFans.
And oh my lord, this looks freaking insane. The VMS is just, oh, it makes it look so good. And don't worry, those red tail lights are going. I can't stand those. Like, look at that. Oh my God. That's insane. This looks freaking nuts. I think I like the VMSs better than the Wilds. I said it. Just want to go ahead and set a quick reminder. This garage is an absolute wreck. And that's actually because we're over here processing all your 9 to grind orders. You guys know, come August 12th, one of these guys and ladies that placed orders on this merch has a chance to win a fully paid for Mustang hood from Cervini's, completely paid for, shipped directly to your door. And all they did was went to www.9togrind.shop. For every dollar spent is 10 entries worth. The merch over here on our shelf is dwindling. I have about 30 to 40 more orders to process, and I do this all on my own. So if you do order something, just be patient, keep that in mind. And you know, I do have to touch on this too. You guys know last week I briefly mentioned something, you know, about my grandmother. In the track video I mentioned at the beginning was kind of bothering me because I went and visited her. And then on my YouTube community bulletin board, if you guys don't know what that is, just go to my channel and click community. There's a little tab and I post stuff on there all the time. But yeah, so I had to step away a little bit last week. It was about 4 to 5 days straight. You know, I went and visited my grandmother in hospice and stuff, and she actually got admitted last week. And long story short, she ended up passing away Saturday. It was definitely really tough on, you know, it was tough to see her like that. It was really tough to experience, you know, the hospice. The hospice was beautiful, like, way of doing it. I can't, like, stress that enough. Like, the nurses and whoever, you know, takes on those roles in life to help people like myself, my family, you know, like, comfort us through the hospice experience. Like, truthfully, I have no idea how they do it, but there's something special about those people that are built for dealing with that stuff on a day-to-day basis. It's truly amazing. But the side effects of, like, watching, you know, your loved one, you know, go through that, it was definitely really tough. And you know, the family and I sat with her in the hospital for hours, like, no joke, 10 12 hours a day, a lot of us. And yeah, she passed Saturday, which you know, it's sad, it's really sad. But I had a grandfather you guys may have seen on the channel before. You know, he lived with my dad and Patty as well, just like my grandma. They were married. They've been together for over 50 years. So, you know, he got cancer about 12, 13, 14 years ago. And it ended up, you know, being the result of his passing about 3 years ago. And long story short, I know my grandparents are now back together. They're happy, you know, that they 50-something years. You know, my grandma was 69 years old, so they were together for a very long time. And just the thought of them being non-suffering, being together and reunited once again has truly helped me work through this. And I have absolutely no regrets with my grandparents. Loved them dearly, was always there whenever, if they ever needed me. And yeah, so just take this learning experience that I went through in life. If you haven't gone through it with your grandparents, I hate to say it, it's life. Everybody does have that day coming. So, you know, just take this message that I'm sharing with you all. Call your grandparents, tell them you love them. You know, make plans with them, do something fun with them, enjoy life. Don't let the reality of, like, work, goals, blah, 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 really, you know, blindside you. Because truth be told, we all go through life worrying about the next day and worrying about the next paycheck, which, you know, I had a huge life learning experience with this. And that's just to, you know, just love, care, and look after people. That's the biggest thing in life. And that I think God definitely touched me in that aspect when, you know, when going through this. So, yeah, I'm doing good though. I'm okay. And I do appreciate greatly everybody that reached out. Like, truthfully, you guys have never met me in person, a lot of you, and you were, you know, your condolences were there and your prayers. So thank you for that. And I feel good. I feel good. I feel okay. Okay, truth be told, I'm kind of in love. And I'm really not joking. I think it's just the black paint tying in with the black wheels with the, you know, polished lips, like on the spokes. And oh God, it looks freaking phenomenal. It just looks so aggressive. And you know, if you guys want to see some behind the scenes photos, like I'm back on my Instagram and Facebook grind, so go follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions. Drop some likes on the photos, drop some comments, I'll respond to them. And you know, hit me up on Facebook, guys. Just search Derek Baran on Facebook. It is a little mind-boggling to think that these two cars are mine. And don't worry, we're gonna be hopping back in Old Girl to get some content here soon. But check out Hades. And you gotta drop a comment down below right now. Which car and what drag pack do you like better? Sup, G?
What's good?
What you think of the drag pack, man?
It's fire.
Well worth it?
Hell yeah.
It's pretty, it looks sick, don't it?
It looks really good.
I didn't think it was gonna look that good. I was just telling them how I almost died driving on the way home though.
Why?
Dude, it was like an hour left and it thunderstormed.
Ah.
Bro, I was doing about 60 and fishtailed across the interstate.
That'll do it.
And then I had to hit the hazards and do 40 and a 70 for about 45 minutes.
That'll do it.
Yeah, it was chalked. Just got here to Best Buy, so I figured I'd give you guys a nice little walk around. Just to show off how sick. It really complements the car with that VMS drag pack. And not to mention the Cervini grills. Again, go watch that video. Please, please, please watch it all the way through. But let me know what you guys think about this. Nothing like taking a Best Buy trip and just absolutely blowing money. So you guys definitely better go follow the Instagram and stuff for, you know, some new content, I guess. I don't know. Oh yeah, she hooked up nicely. I just want to go ahead and thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, again, drop a like, drop a comment, say what's up. If you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the next video, go follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions. Use the hashtag DBP Squad in all your car posts and I'll go and see who used it. Pick a winner and boom, shout out. I hope everybody has a blessed day and we will see you Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.